You ever see a product or see something on TV that's so simple and ingenious you say, I wish I had thought of that? Well, that was the case with me with the turbo trusser that I saw on the TV show Shark Tank. Chef Wonderful, Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Leary was the shark who bought into this product, and I got one to try. It's, you know, instead of tying birds together with twine and doing other things to keep the legs, wings all nice and tucked together, this is a really simple way to do it. We're going to show you how it works. So we've got about a 7.5 pound Purdue roaster here, big chicken, and we're going to stuff it with some herbs that we picked this morning in the herb garden. A little bit of sage, some thyme, some rosemary. I actually have a bay leaf that I picked in a swamp in Louisiana. That was really cool. We seasoned the outside of the chicken last night, and so it's been resting. We're going to stuff it. We're going to put it in the Camp Chef Woodwind pellet grill and smoker, a unit I really love. It's outstanding to cook on. We're going to start it off at low smoke, then switch over to high smoke. It's probably going to take about 4 hours to get this bird to the right temperature, but when we're done, we're going to have a nice, juicy, flavorful smoked chicken.
All right, rosemary, bay leaf, thyme, sage,
Well, as often happens in Virginia, we got blown out of the smoking deal with the pop-up thunderstorm that happened about 2 hours into the process. So we finished the bird in the oven, but still it got a lot of good smoke on it. It really looks good. The turbo trusser held together nicely. I'm going to pop it off and we're going to see how this thing looks. It's still hot. Very hot. The nice thing about these too, I think, is, you know, you just pop them in the dishwasher when you're done. They did hold it together nicely. I've got a grip on that bone too. There we go. We took a temperature reading. It was 165, which is nice for poultry. You want to make sure it's at least 160. Oh yeah, that's nice in there. All the juices are running clear. The bird stayed incredibly moist. Pull the wing off. It just falls apart. Let's see how the breast meat looks. Oh yeah. Look how moist that breast meat looks. Great smoky flavor. That's a really good chicken breast, I'll tell you. I'm ordinarily not a chicken breast guy. I like the legs, thighs, but this is really moist. Incredibly flavorful. Totally cooked through. I'd have to say this little turbo truss is a pretty good deal, and you can use it forever. Try it out.